What is up, you guys? We're here today at my favorite place in the entire universe, Dick's Sporting Goods. So we're here today for a brand new YouTube series where we go to different stores, we find obstacles to skate on, and not turn into skateboards. I mean actually skate on. Wow. Ledges, rails, mini dog stairs, anything you can possibly imagine, we are gonna try to turn into a skate obstacle. So we don't have any idea what to call this series yet, so leave a comment below and let us know some ideas of what we can call this. I'm thinking we're gonna have a $150 limit. The Skate Everything Wars, we had $75 each, but now we're all working as a cohesive unit for once in our lives. So we're gonna do $150. Let's look for the best skate obstacle, and don't forget we need a bike pump needle so I can blow up our basketballs. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave it below
in the comments.
But we're gonna go now inside of my favorite place in the entire world.
Right there.
Southland Mall.
Move that
Dick's.
way. Move, yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like sometimes your phone has a limit. Like it can hit the ground with a good impact like 3 or 4 times, but like the 5th time it'll just shatter.
Second, it hits the ground softly and you don't think anything happened. That's when it.
You wouldn't really be able to do anything on it though.
On that ledge?
Yes. I feel it would break. Oh, let's get a mannequin.
Trampoline, Gabe.
Oh, hey. You haven't done that before. Uzi, you have to get a wrist guard because at Dick's, protection is always the most important, okay?
That's number 1, true. Maybe I could just get everything, one of all of these, and just be like protected from all injury.
No, I think you fully need an entire stunt suit.
That bench.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get up here too.
Oh, that's a little wobbly though.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think of rules for this series, okay? I'm thinking that I'm not opposed to building something. Like if you want to put 2 things together, that's fine. Or if you have to use some construction. Or should it be having to find something that's just straight up skatable?
If it's like something that you have to build and then like use like a kicker to get to or something, like that's fine?
I think so, yeah.
Okay.
I don't really know. I mean, anything is fair game at this point.
You should at least be able to do 2 things, I feel. Let's go to camping section.
We say Dick's.
Do you like saying that?
The kids love hearing us say Dick's, and we're at Dick's.
I don't think you want to do that.
Nigel?
I feel like this is way harder.
Oh, this is pretty hard, yeah. American Ninja Warrior hurdles.
Yeah, but it depends on how solid it is. It could be like a rail.
A high ollie challenge.
Let's see what it's made out of.
Fetty, a shuffleboard. 6 feet long.
I really like that bench that glitched out and's gone now.
Have you found anything?
That we can skate?
Yeah.
No. That I want? Yes.
Oh. Oh. Jeez.
Did I scare you?
That felt good.
What about like a benching pole?
No.
Oh, pop on, pop off. Or pop over.
Yeah.
Genius. Come on, don't tell me that's not a good idea.
That's a pretty good idea.
Exercise ball. Oh, we need a jump rope. This is the best way to work, like to warm up. I think that's it.
Yep, $109.
It's on our budget.
Here we go.
Oh, that was beautiful.
I love golfing.
Alright, so that's it?
Here you go, Dan.
I found a basketball hoop at the last second, and it looks like it'd probably be good to skate, and it's cheap enough to where we could get it.
Take us.
I will show you the way.
Oh, straight up.
I was looking at this one. I didn't see how much that one was.
It has a roof mount, so you could probably prop up so it wouldn't fall.
This one you could grind as a rail.
I'm broken. Can't do it. Sorry. Efficient.
Fetty's so extra sometimes.
Yeah. What's up, you guys? We had just finished at Dick's Sporting Goods. We got ourselves a basketball hoop. I am Gabe Cruz. That is Nigel Jones. We got Uzi Walker in the back and Fetty Potter. And now we're back to the Braille house.
Update, we're here at the Braille house, and the box did say it would build under 3 hours. Oh God, I think it's been like 5 hours at this point. Carlos, how are you?
Yeah.
Are you good?
No.
What's wrong?
Those pieces look bent now. We have to bend metal?
Uzi Dan is having an emotional breakdown right now. I don't know what's going on. Fetty is playing a freaking piano game on his phone. My office is a mess. What are you guys doing in my place?
Hey,
bend metal.
whoever made this, I'm gonna come and beat you.
And they also...
What?
And look, they end up like this.
And you know what else?
No.
They
Yeah.
tell you for
Look,
one
look
of
at
the
the next
things.
page.
Wow, it really does say bend it.
Yeah.
The backboard is a completely different backboard to the one in the picture. Do you notice that?
I got some complaints here.
Yeah, it's a different shape.
Look at this. Doesn't even really take anything. Has nothing to screw in. They don't even give you the right size tool for this. Then they say use pliers.
So wait, you
when
do- you
could just
just-
use a wrench.
As you guys can tell, this is going very well. Yeah. I'm gonna skip the entire bigger one, just make it in the smaller one from behind. Oh my gosh, that was so hard.
Yeah, dude.
That was incredibly hard, dude. I feel defeated after that. The backboard is tilted forward. So not only do you have to arc it hella high, but you also have to get it over, like an over angle. I don't know. Carlos, what do you think?
You know what? It's been over a year. I don't even question it anymore. I just go with the flow. Ride the waves of Braille.
I haven't stepped on a skateboard all day.
Follow your instincts. It said no. I'm just figuring it out, you know.
What in the world are you doing?
Supporting that.
That's what I was afraid of. Oh, let's go jump down a 12 stair. That's a good idea, right?
That's a way better idea than this.
I'll ollie over that instance. How about that?
That's a way better idea. Legit! Oh yeah! Backboard and the rim are over there. We're not sure what to do with that yet, but now we have the base and the initial pole. That sounded bad. We're skating this first, and then we're probably gonna figure out what to do with the backboard and the rim.
I don't want to spoil it.
Oh, you dirty dog! Leave a comment below if you know what Carlos is thinking right now. Yeah! Oh! There it is. Aussie Dan, you got this.
Me? No.
You got it, Dan?
What in the world?
Came up with that in like 30 seconds.
That was scary.
I have glue on my hands, so.
Oh, you jerk. I'd see, I was smart to do that. So that was just in there?
That was just, yeah, sticking out.
Safe.
Oh, God.
And your entire contraption has been ruined.
I mean, it's only held together by duct tape.
Okay, here's what I say. Fetty stands with it next to the 5 and you ollie over it. Uzi, would you like to just sit down there and hold that?
Not especially. There you go.
Very rare you don't land a back 180.
Yeah.
Whew! Did you hear that? You freaking wallied it.
Wow.
That is insane.
Can somebody just hold it tight like that? I'll slide it.
This reminds me of Lizard King doing it off that.
Exactly.
You got it, Carlos. Yes! That was scary for, I mean, not for me, but for him. I can imagine the fear in his eyes.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna hold that.
That was nuts. Oh, my face is like this.
I know I landed it first try, but realistically, what were you thinking? In a move too,
That was
see?
dope.
I told you
Yeah.
it was gonna move.
Board slide the rim.
Yeah! How did you land that? All I saw was a basketball hoop flying at me. I would give you a high five, but I have a light.
Give me the elbow.
Wow! Oh! Why is it always you?
I don't want to hurt your ankle anymore. I'm sorry.
I have a scary request for you. I want to stand up this hoop in front of that kicker, but I'm going to put my head inside of the rim, and you have to ollie over me. Yeah! up it.
Yeah, I know how to read these things. It's cool.
Like they have words on them?
Someone said, why don't you get him out of the videos? He kind of sucks. Actually, he sucks a lot. Like I just did a trade 50. What do you want from me? Like,
Okay.
My only question is why?
It should be how.
That is just horrible.
underlowered spice, the fragrance.
Underlord Ember.
Cthulhu Ink, like incorporated, but ink. Ah. Cthulhu tear gas.
Yeah. Cthulhu tear gas. Make all the ladies cry with your
Someone just like, oh, I'm gonna try this fragrance. And then it's just like an agony.
Last your last.
A mist of Cthulhu in every spray.
Oh!
Don't count on there being slow-mo for that one.
Oh, you're going to 50, then ollie 50, 50.
I was gonna say just no slide the small pot. Oh, great Scott, you genius! Oh, dear gracious me! Oh, no! Lastra Lust, landing the best skate tricks.
He uses his ink as a defense mechanism. If the Carlos notices not enough wax, he inks on it.
I can't film all this at once.
See, when you take the camera, that's when everything goes downhill. What are you doing, mate?
I don't know.
I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing.
Oh,
No,
Dig!
no, we didn't really make that.
34 pounds.
oh dear. Are you good, Carlos?
Bad timing. I should have jumped.
Wow, that's a heavy 34 pounds. Carlos, you've been putting on weight.
Or like Carlos Mastra. He's got a lot of mass.
I want to say it's too early, but it's too late today.
Oh, you are brilliant, Carlos. Once again.
My idea.
Oh, to drop in?
Thank you.
Gabe, I need you to hold this.
Oh no, Carlos!
Oh dear.
Here, let me hold this for you.
You moved the whole darn ramp.
Okay, here, let me get that
Here knee,
situated.
here knee.
Oh dear.
Take my
Wait,
knee.
wait. Okay, it's not quite centered, Carlos.
Oh dear.
Oh!
All right, here knee. Keep on there.
Alright, you ready? You ready?
Hang on.
I guess.
It's not bloody centered. It's not
Wait.
centered.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Dead. Oh my word. The Lazarus.
This is the best here! Is he centered, mate?
Oh yes, he's as centered as he's ever been.
Watch your underload.
Okay.
I hope
Ready?
he does it
Let go.
first try.
1, 2.
A 3.
Yes!
I don't care what you say. That was all of us.
After that.
Why did you give me a high five? I was going for Carlos.
Oh, sorry, mate. Please do not deprive me of my ability to have children with the woman I love. Oh, great Scott, get me my safety glasses.
Where am I right now?
I think you're in London. Braille House in London. As long as I have these on, everything in life will be okay, mate.
Hello, Gabe.
Oh no!
Do you realize they put balls into that? So that would make no sense.
Oh, that's easy. He could kickflip me at this point. Great Scott. That was exhilarating. Very well done, Carlos.
It's gonna get set. Okay, I'm not gonna hit you.
Ah, this really hurts.
Sorry.
Oh, my finger is in a great deal of pain. It didn't hit the head, so I'm fine. But this finger is gonna start swelling very soon. I'm gonna kick it out, I'll send it.
Cthulhu phalanges.
Thank you, Carlos. my knuckle was like this, it perfectly hit this only finger. Look at how perfectly it hits my finger though. Look.
They bent the rim.
Can I just tell you how bad it is hurting right now? All right, you guys, that was a lot of fun. We actually ended up being able to skate the basketball hoop a lot better than we originally anticipated. Leave a comment below if you enjoyed this series, and please subscribe, please like, and check out brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs.